Which of the following statement is incorrect? In 1829, William Bentinck prohibited the sati custom by law. In 1856, Governor passed an act which allowed Hindu widows to remarry. In 1875, Swami Dayanand Saraswati established the Arya Samaj. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was a supporter of the sati custom. Raja Ram Mohan Roy was a supporter of the sati custom is the answer. Match the following: प्रार्थना समाज, महादेव गोविंद रानडे, रामकृष्ण मिशन, स्वामी विवेकानंद, सत्यशोधक मंडल, ज्योतिबा फूले, मोहम्मदन एंग्लो ओरिएंटल कॉलेज अलीगढ़, सर सैयद अहमद खान. When was the first rail run in India and between which station? Between Bombay to Thane in 1853. गांधी जी ने परिवार नियोजन हेतु क्या तरीका बताया? आत्मनियंत्रण. महात्मा गांधी ने परिवार नियोजन एवं जनसंख्या वृद्धि को रोकने हेतु कृत्रिम साधनों को अपनाने के स्थान पर आत्मनियंत्रण एवं आत्मानुशासन के तरीके को ही महत्वपूर्ण बताया था. आत्मनियंत्रण तथा आत्मानुशासन गांधी जी के जीवन दर्शन के प्रमुख सिद्धांत थे. The first inscriptional evidence of sati tradition is found in Aaron Abil inscription. In the first stage of the national movement, which one among the following was not the demand of the Congress? Unification of executive and judiciary. Who among the following first coined the word Pakistan? Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. In which session was the Congress divided into moderate and extremists? Surat split. During the Champaran Satyagraha, the cultivation of indigo was known as Tinkatia system. Quit India movement was started on 9th August 1942. Who was the chief leader of the Santhal revolt? Siddo. Which was the first state to be merged under Dalhousie's doctrine of lapse? Satara, Maharashtra. Who called the Congress as the annual National F Educated India? कांग्रेस सम्मेलनों को शिक्षित भारतीयों का वार्षिक राष्ट्रीय मेला किसने कहा था? लाला लाजपत राय. With which Michel was Ranjit Singh related? Sukar Chakia. Which of the following brave from Bhopal led the main movement and sacrificed his life during the first struggle for independence in 1857? Fazil Muhammad Khan. Which massacre is known as Jallianwala Bagh tragedy of Madhya Pradesh? Charan Paduka massacre. The British Empire is rotten to the core, corrupt in every direction and tyrannical and mean. This statement was made by Sister Nivedita, who coined the slogan Quit India. Yusuf Meher Ali. Where was the Western Presidency situated in the early period of the East India Company? Surat. Who among the following has not participated in the second round table conference? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who among the following was the youngest person to become the President of the Indian National Congress? Abul Kalam Azad. An important evidence of Lord Dufferin's tenure as Viceroy was establishment of Indian National Congress. Who among the following was associated with the Chatgaon Armory raid? Surya Sen. In which year was the Wavell Plan represented? 1945. In which year Regulating Act was passed? 1773. Charles Wood's dispatch was related with which of the following? Education. In which year Sati system was abolished by Lord William Bentinck? 1829 AD. Which Governor General introduced the permanent land revenue system in India? Lord Cornwallis. Who was elected as the President of the Indian National Congress for the year 1938? Subhash Chandra Bose. Mountbatten Plan regarding the partition of India was officially declared on 3rd June 1947. Who organized the Ghadar Party? Lala Hardayal. By which act did the British abolish the monopoly of East India Company on trading of tea and sugar? Charter Act 1833. Where is the Samadhi of Maharani Lakshmibai situated? Gwalior. Where was the head office of Indian National Army located? Rangoon, Myanmar. Who among the following organized the Society of Revolutionaries Abhinav Bharat? Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Who among the following was the advocate at the famous INA trials? Bhulabai Desai. Who among the following attended all the three round table conferences? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Where is the first open jail established? Hosangabad, Namdapuram. Who among the following officers of Azad Hind Fauj did not face famous Red Fort trials? Mohan Singh. For how many years did Gandhiji live in South Africa? 21 years. Last Viceroy of India was Lord Mountbatten. Who among the following held the office of Speaker in Central Legislative Assembly of British era and the Parliament of Free India? G.B. Mavalankar. Which dynasty supported British maximum during the 1857 freedom movement? Scindias of Gwalior. Rani Durgavati is related Jabalpur. Who called Bal Gangadhar Tilak the father of Indian unrest? Valentine Chirol. In whose viceroyalty the White Mutiny took place? Lord Ripon. Who was the commander-in-chief of INA before Subhash Chandra Bose? Captain Mohan Singh. Who among the following Mughal kings had sent Raja Ram Mohan Roy as his envoy to London? Akbar II. Who was the first Indian native ruler to accept the system of subsidiary alliance? Nizam of Hyderabad. Fields revolted against the Britishers in Rajasthan and Maharashtra. The newspaper brought out by Bal Gangadhar Tilak to promote nationalism was Kesari. Azarjan A. Protest led by Lala Rajpat Rai was organized in Lahore in 1928 against Simon Commission. Reason R. Simon Commission did not have a single Indian member in it. Both A and R both are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Why did Mahatma Gandhi withdraw non-cooperation movement in 1922? Because of Chauri Chora violence. Arrange the following in chronological order and select the correct answer from the codes given below. Swadeshi movement, Jallianwala Bagh massacre, Dandi March, Quit India movement. Match the following and choose the correct answers. Vipin Chandra Paul, New India. Aurobindo Ghosh, Vande Mataram. ब्रह्मो बंधव उपाध्याय, संध्या. मोहम्मद अली, कॉमरेड. Consider the following statement and select the correct answer from the codes given below. Subhash Chandra Bose formed the forward bloc. Bhagat Singh was one of the founders of Hindustan Republican Socialist Association. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Match the following and choose the correct answer. Doctrine of Lapse, Dalhousie. Partition of Bengal, Curzon. Dual government in Bengal, Clive. Social reforms, Bentinck. The modern historian who called the revolt of 1857 as the first war of independence was V.D. Savarkar. First decisive military success of English East India Company in India is marked by Battle of Buxar. By who was Swaraj Dal founded? Chittaranjan Das. When was non-cooperation movement postponed? 1922. The non-cooperation movement launched in 1920 was withdrawn because the Satyagrahi in village Chauri Chora set fire to a police station in which 22 policemen were killed. In 1907, Bikaji Kama, who was the first person to hoist the flag of India's independence, hoisted the flag in Stuttgart. When was the Battle of Plassey fought? 1757. By whom is the book Gita Rahasya written? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who was the ruler of Delhi during the Battle of Buxar? Shah Alam II. Why is the year 1942 important? Quit India movement. Subhash Chandra Bose was elected the president of Congress during its Tripuri session in the 1939. Where is Tripuri? Jabalpur. When was Quit India movement launched? 1942. When was the Quit India movement started? August 1942. Who said, "You give me blood, I will give you freedom"? Subhash Chandra Bose. Who was the first woman president of the Indian National Congress? Annie Besant. Who has written Hind Swaraj? Mahatma Gandhi. Who among the following did not participate in the first War of Independence in 1857? Bhagat Singh. Who among the following fought against the British in 1857? Saadat Khan. When was Tipu Sultan killed during war with the Britishers? 1799. Who was the last Mughal emperor of India? Bahadur Shah Jafar. Who composed Sare Jahan Se Achha? Muhammad Iqbal. Dandi March started from Ahmedabad. Where is Phoenix Farm? Durban, South Africa. Who established Phoenix Farm? Mahatma Gandhi. Who wrote Vande Mataram? Bankim Chand Chatterjee. Who was the founder of the Indian National Congress? Allen O. Hume. Who was the last Governor General of independent India? C. Raja Gopalachari. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Who said this? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. Whose statement is this? Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Freedom is my birthright and I shall have it is attributed to Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Who wrote the following lines? मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना. Muhammad Iqbal. Who was the Prime Minister of England when India got independence? Clement Attlee. In which year Mahatma Gandhi returned to India from South Africa? 1915. Srimati Aruna Asaf Ali in July 1996. She was known for her contribution in which field? Freedom. Out of the following, who was hanged by the British government in connection with the Kakori conspiracy case? Ram Prasad Bismil. Who among the following Governor Generals was the first to adopt a separate electorate to win over the Muslims and set them against the Congress? Lord Minto. Under whose reign did the Black Hole tragedy happen? Siraj-ud-Dowla. When was the demand for Quit India made during the British rule? August 1942. Who was the British officer to order firing in Jallianwala Bagh? General Dyer. When did the Congress for the first time adopt the resolution for India's independence? 1929. Where is Doda related to aggressive activities located? Jammu Kashmir. Who among the following was the president of the Indian National Congress? Annie Besant. Correct the following match of women ruler with their state capitals. Rani Durgavati, Gadmandal, Rani Ahilyabai, होलकर स्टेट, महारानी लक्ष्मीबाई झांसी, बेगम रजिया सुल्तान दिल्ली. Who was the first president of the Indian National Congress? W.C. Banerjee. Which important decision with far-reaching implication was taken by the Congress in its 1916 session at Lucknow? The demand of the Muslim League for a separate electorate was accepted. Which was the battle that initiated British supremacy in India? Battle of Plassey. Who wrote the slogan of Inqilab Zindabad? Muhammad Iqbal. इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस किसके द्वारा स्थापित की गई? A.O. Hume. When was the Indian National Congress established? 1885. The birth and death year of Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar are 1891, 1956. When was Khilafat movement started in India? 1920. When did the Indian National Congress the first non-cooperation movement? 1920. गांधी जी के राजनीतिक गुरु कौन थे? गोपाल कृष्ण गोखले. From which book is Vande Mataram taken? आनंद मठ. मुस्लिम लीग की स्थापना कहाँ हुई? ढाका. Give the name of the Governor General of India against whom impeachment was imposed. Warren Hastings. Against whom Rani Lakshmibai fought her last war? Huroch. Which one of the following revolutionaries involved in Lahore conspiracy case was not hanged? Patukeshwar Dutt. The symbol of the freedom struggle of 1857 was lotus and bread. Who was the part of Indian National Army INA? Khan Shakil Ali. When did the Tripuri Congress session take? 1939. What was the name of the warrior who dressed like Rani Lakshmibai in order to save her from the British? Kalkari Bai. Which whom did the British make the Treaty of Mysore? Malhar Rao Holkar. During the civil disobedience movement, at which of the following places was a provisional independent government established by the revolutionaries? Chittagaon. who was the president of the session of Indian National Congress in which resolution of complete independence was passed. Jawaharlal Nehru. Who first established the district administration, Warring Hastings, in which year was Regulating Act passed? 1773. The British conservative leader who termed the Revolution of 1857 as the National Revolt, Benjamin Disraeli. Indian Association was formed by Anand Mohan Bose and Surendranath Banerjee. In the history of Indian freedom struggle, Dr. Usha Mehta is famous for her courage to set up a secret radio system during the Quit India movement. Why the JVP committee was constituted by the Congress in 1948 to give recommendation on Dhar Commission. Arrange the following Anglo treaties in the chronological order. Treaty of Purandar, Treaty of Salabai, Treaty of Basin, Treaty of Surji Anjagaon. Commonly, who among the Ashtapradhan of Shivaji were not assigned war responsibilities? Pandit Rao and Nyayadhish. How many principalities were merged in the Saurashtra Sangh on 15th February 1948? 222. In the year 1948, which state came into existence after the merger of Bundelkhand and Baghelkhand, Vindhya Pradesh? Who was given the princely the National Provisional Government? Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. When was the special right and privy purse enjoyed by the Indian princely state abolished? 1971. Which of the following act provided for communal representation in British India? Minto Morley Reforms 1909. National Planning Committee was set up by Subhash Chandra Bose. In which year the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh was founded by Hedgewar? 1925. Who was first Indian Governor General of India? Sri Raja Gopalachari. The first declared war between India and Pakistan was fought in the year 1965. Who was the first Governor General of Independent India? Lord Mountbatten. When was the Kendriya Vidyalaya founded? 1965. The state emblem was adopted by Government of India on 26 January 1950. Who started the Bhudan movement? Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Where was Rajiv Gandhi assassinated? Sri Perumbudur. Who gave the slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan? Lal Bahadur Shastri. Bangladesh was created because of Indo-Pak hostilities in December 1971. Which Prime Minister of India died outside the country? Lal Bahadur Shastri. The first lady to become governor of a state in India, Sarojini Naidu. On the death of Gandhiji, who said that the light from our life has gone? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Match the following: Akash surface to air hitting missile. बहुजन समाज पार्टी कांसीराम. पृथ्वी surface to surface hitting missile. Mirage 2000 fighter plane. The second woman to climb the summit of Everest, Santosh Yadav. Which of the following is inconsistent? Rajendra Prasad, Radhakrishnan, Zakir Hussain, Jawaharlal Nehru. Answer: Jawaharlal Nehru. Which was the first state formed on linguistic basis? Andhra Pradesh. When were the states reorganized on linguistic basis? 1956. First woman Chief Minister of India was Sucheta Kripalani. Who wrote the book Prison Diary? Jai Prakash Narayan. Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar started a school on whose name in the year 1946? Siddharth.